TV Media on a beautiful but drizzling Saturday afternoon. We're on our way to Santa Rosa, Laguna. We're already here and we're on our way to the Illest brand launch happening at Soledad 3, and it's hosted by, this event will be attended by different types of, from different car brands and car builders and those people who are famous in the car community, like Mr. James Deacon is also be here in this event. So yun, maraming salamat for all those supporting this channel. Please continue to like and subscribe our channel and also our Facebook page, Joms TV Media. Maraming salamat sa inyo, and I hope you continue to support this channel so we can create more videos like this and we could attend more events, car events like this. Alright, so have a great day, have a great weekend, have a great Saturday, and yun, God bless. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go!
And of course, as we have our visitors all the way from Pampanga, we're going to be opening a branch at Marquee Mall in Pampanga. This is our founder. Make your way for the instructions, very important instructions on this ceremony. We're also joined by we got Rainy Medina, we got Marlon Stockinger, we got James Deacon, we got Gino Rubino, we got Adel Cisa, we got Decal Lord and Team Garaje. Today is their grand opening day for Illest PH. As we cut the ribbon, we're gonna make it very, very official. Should we do a countdown now?
That never happened.
Let's do the countdown. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's cut the ribbon as we officially open Illest Philippines here at Soledad 3, New Valley. Congratulations, guys. Mark Arsenal, our founder, creative brand officer, and the hand joining in. Second store here in the country, first in the south. Yeah, the first in the north happened at S North. We were also there.
Sun's up, it's snooze, but I'm still dreaming about you. Stretching out in my bed, got these crazy thoughts in my head. Morning light shines on you, girl, you got that honeydew view. Start the day feeling right, cause you've been on my mind all night. Every minute, every hour, feeling your power. Got me weak, yeah, you're my tower. Good morning, girl, you're my sunrise. With you every moment feels so right. Naughty thoughts as you pass by. Let's start the day on this high. Breakfast in bed,
Mendoza.
Mendoza Brothers guys, so para sa air system mo. Grabe, Sir Nino. Solid. Oh yeah.
Give it up for Sir Nino Mendoza.